Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your ingredients. Stale bread, like a day-old baguette or sourdough, is perfect for this recipe. You'll also need some good quality olive oil, a few cloves of fresh garlic, and your favorite seasonings such as salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried herbs. Begin by cutting your bread into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures that every crouton bakes evenly and gets perfectly golden brown. Now, let's infuse those bread cubes with delicious flavor. In a large bowl, drizzle about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil over your bread. Add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic, a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of dried oregano or Italian seasoning. Toss everything together thoroughly, making sure each bread cube is lightly and evenly coated with the oil and seasonings. This step is crucial for maximum flavor. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your seasoned bread cubes in a single layer on a large baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding the pan, as this can steam the croutons instead of crisping them. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through. They are ready when they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crunchy. Once your croutons are out of the oven, let them cool completely on the baking sheet. This helps them crisp up even further. Store your homemade croutons in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh and crunchy for up to 5 to 7 days. They are perfect for elevating your Caesar salad, adding texture to soups, or simply enjoying as a delicious, savory snack.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.